Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change differential fluid. Generally speaking, this procedure is really simple. The hardest part could be accessing filler and drain plugs. Sometimes they can be in tight spots. First of all, locate your differential. You will see it's connected to the prop shaft. After that, locate the drain plug and filler plug. As always, first loosen the filler plug and make sure it's not seized so you can fill the new fluid later. I prepare the drain pan. I'm gonna loosen the drain plug and drain the fluid. I'm gonna let the fluid drain completely. It's gonna take about 10 minutes. This here is the old fluid, and it actually didn't look so black and burned when I was draining it, but after 100,000 kilometers I still think it's time to change it. To prevent any leaks, I'm gonna put some high temperature silicone sealant on the drain plug. Now I'm gonna put back the drain plug and tighten it down to 21 Newton meters. I tightened it by hand because I don't have enough space to put a torque wrench in here. When it comes to refilling, you have a couple of options. You can use a pump like this, an oil injector, or you can just pour it straight from the bottle. Personally, I prefer pouring it straight from the bottle, but sometimes that is not possible in tight spaces. Now, before refilling, I need to remove the filler plug. First, I'm gonna try pouring the fluid straight from the bottle, but I don't think that's gonna work. You will know the differential is full once fluid starts dripping out. Make sure your car is level when you're filling the fluid. It shouldn't be jacked up. If it's not level or if it's jacked up, you can be sure if you filled the correct amount in the differential. You can see the fluid dripping out, which means the differential is full. Now I can pull out the tube and let any excess fluid drain out. Lots of people never change their differential fluid because the manufacturer claims that the fluid is lifetime. I don't really believe there's a lifetime fluid because any fluid breaks down over time due to heat, friction, contamination, and so on. That is why you should change your transmission and differential fluid every now and then. It's really a small maintenance step that can make a big difference. In the end, I managed to pour the fluid straight from the bottle with a tube as an extension. And now once again I'm gonna put high temperature silicone sealant on the filler plug. I'm gonna put back the filler plug. You're supposed to tighten it down to 21 Newton meters, but again I'm gonna tighten it by hand. After a couple of minutes, when everything is dried up, just check if there are any leaks. In my case here, everything seems to be fine. And that's it. That's pretty much everything there's to it. I will list the tools I used in the description. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.